Welcome back to VegeMe. In today's video, we will be teaching you how to make some very good smoothies. It's called very good because we're gonna dump in tons of berries. That's why we call it very good smoothies. Today's ingredients will include some strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, pineapples, and bananas. We get this blueberries frozen from Costco. It is called the organic triple berry blend. We will have blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. Put as much berries as you want because it's going to be a very good smoothie.
And I'll tell you what, these bananas, when you dunk them right in the smoothie blender, they will go real well along with those. The fun still continues when we add in more blueberries, organic blueberries, Kirkland signature from Costco. We are Costco people. We are, as you can see, currently dealing with apples right now. My mom is washing. Say hi. She's washing the apples right now. So she will have to scrub them real clean. So yeah, we're gonna also have apples, not in a smoothie of course, but of course the other fruits that we do need. We need some apples too because an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Right now, if you want to do this extra step, but if you want to eat your best, we are going to peel these apples. If you wonder why we peel them, it's because under the skin you've got some bruises underneath. That's why we peel our apples instead of just eating them whole. But you can just eat them whole if you want to. But that's why we do peel our apples. If you wonder, what in the world is VegeMe doing right there? He's peeling his apples.
We just cut the bruise in the apple. That's why, if that's in case you're wondering why we peel the skin. Oh, also please cut away those tops too because you never know what's that. So this is why we peel our apples. There we go. See that one? Haha. Thank you, Joe.
I'm thankful for that fast peeler. Great job. That looks great. If you're wondering why the background noise, we're mixing in with our Trader Joe's organic soy beverage, unsweetened, non-dairy soy milk into the pot. This is what we are doing, mixing it up nicely. Meet you at a table. There.
Before we meet you at the table, I forgot to mention that this dish goes really well along with some bread. Make sure you have no other liquids around because this smoothie is already a really great liquid. You don't need any orange juice, you don't need no coffee, you don't need anything like that because our smoothies is very, it's like food, but it's also same as a liquid. So this dish goes really well along. Oops, sorry, it's my earphones. This dish goes really well along with some really wonderful Ezekiel bread that you can buy from your local, I think VegeMe, you can get from Trader Joe's, anywhere you can get Ezekiel bread.
You're wondering about Ezekiel bread, which one? It is the Ezekiel bread, the orange bagged one. It's from the Ezekiel 4.9. Let's do this. So it is actually all natural and it is flourless. It's organic, certified organic. It's I can't read that one, but it's really great bread that everybody should try. I really like it. It's my favorite bread. I tried other breads before, but I really didn't like them, so that's why, if you're wondering, the bread that we use. The ingredients in detail is organic sprouted wheat, filtered water, organic sprout barley, organic sprout millet, organic malted barley, organic sprouted lentils, organic sprouted soybeans, organic sprouted fresh yeast, organic wheat gluten, and sea salt. All those are great for you guys. Now we are going to toss in our
berries and everything, making it a very good smoothie. Yep, it's going to be really good. It's great for you. It's really good. Still, I've tried this many times before. Not on this channel, but this is the first time I've filmed this on the channel. So it's the first time filming this one. So, yep. So yeah, I really like this. If you're wondering what we put for the garnish at the bottom, we put so much lemon juice. Yes, but it's not sour. You can put like a fourth of a lemon in there, it's not sour. Like if you put like one, maybe a little sour, but half a lemon, it's still not very sour. So yep, it's really great to put some lemon. Try it for yourself, and it's not sour. I think Joel doesn't know what's sour and what's not actually. I think even a few drops of lemon in my water is often sour, but over here if I put like 1/4 of a lemon, it's not even extremely sour, but you can just mix it up in the bottom. You just mix it up later when you are going to drink, because that's going to be, if you don't mix it up when you get to the bottom, it's going to become very sour. We are going to blend it up, guys, on our magical bullet. Oh no! That is loud. Luckily I have earbuds to protect me. A good choice that I used earbuds in today's video. Sounds weird. Yeah, I think our bullet, something is wrong with it. Yeah, it's not working properly. Super fast work. Great. That's the good one, guys. Now we're doing our second berry-full step, which has tons of berries in there. A lot of great berries that are good for your health. We've got strawberries, organic. These are all organic, so you know, we like organic foods. They are really healthy for you, so we are using the triple berry blend that you can get from Costco. Or if not, if you don't want to get it all together, if you want more of each, you can buy each in separate bags. Organic blueberries that we showed you earlier, organic pineapples, organic strawberries. I'm not even sure they're blackberries, but we but we put blackberries in there. So yeah, but if you can also try many other different variations of this recipe. You can put instead of strawberries, maybe you can put raspberries. Instead of raspberries, you can put this. You know, this is how we like to do it. So you can try it for yourself, and if you like it, just subscribe, click the bell, and hit the like. Genius tip: instead of using your long giraffe tongue or getting a giraffe trying to lick it up inside for the leftover smoothies, shake it up like that. That will clean it up real fast. The weather says, I'm just reading the news right now, says that there are at least 100 flights that were canceled. It's nor'easter, seems with the Baltimore airport, and it seems that because I'm living in New York, I could have some snow. They said that it's gonna have a blizzard, like about a foot of snow here. So I hope I have enough food, because I'm not even sure whether I would get food on Sunday. Because Sunday's the day I'm like really busy outside, so I'm not even sure. They say over the weekend, so I'm really afraid if I run out of very good smoothies. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification, click the like button too if you want to watch more of these great videos. By doing that, you encourage us by making more of these great videos, such as the one you're watching now. Very good smoothies. Thank you so much, and we will have a few pictures showing you guys how you're gonna enjoy this one. Maybe a bit, who knows? Well, you could see at the end of this video. Stay tuned. A serving spoon to serve this smoothie. So, look like this. You gotta mix it up nicely. I'll dig that lemon seed out to its right place. So, let's try it. first time doing eating right here. I can use this as jam for my bread. The good way, take something like this. That's the good one. That's what we've got. Avocado with bread. Okay guys, I better enjoy eating. See you again next time.